Conestoga College is taking significant steps towards its ambitious goal of reaching net zero and creating a more sustainable future. Across all 8 campuses, Conestoga is aiming to reduce its 2015 emissions by 80% by the year 2050. The college's Cambridge campus has installed a half-megawatt solar field that will generate 800 megawatt hours of energy each year. Combined with a 250-ton geothermal heat pump, these projects will replace gas boilers, chillers, and cooling towers, helping eliminate greenhouse gas emissions.
These projects were a major step forward in carbon reduction and our journey to net zero. It's a real advantage for students and faculty to have a tangible application to complement the curriculum.
The Ontario government provided additional funding to support the projects. Conestoga partnered with Toronto-based company Blackstone Energy, which designed and installed the systems.
We're thrilled to have developed and delivered this project in partnership with Conestoga College on their journey towards net zero.
The solar and geothermal installations are evidence that Conestoga and Blackstone are creating good energy on the ground level to help achieve bigger picture goals.